Alright, so we've got a whole lot of vacuuming to do, a whole lot of sweeping, and a whole lot of decluttering. But we should be able to get this done well in time. It's, I don't know if that clock ever got set, it's about 2:40 now. That'll give us the rest of the evening. There's Kara again. That'll give us the rest of the evening to get everything situated. And then I think our housing official walkthrough is tomorrow morning. Let's see, about 9:30 I think. I know you have school tomorrow. Yep, it's gonna be your last day tomorrow. Very exciting.
Then we might stay at the hotel all day.
Yeah, all kinds of hotel time.
Yep, and we're going to a lot of hotels.
A lot of hotels, yeah. You like hotels though, right? Yeah, so it works out. Grab my coffee. Yes, new mug. An extreme thirst mug.
And that's
Grab my broom, and let's get the basement done.
Yep.
Well, since the laundry room doesn't have an actual paint job and hasn't had an actual paint job, this is as clean as it's gonna get. Alright, close that up. I might run a Swift rover just one more time, but maybe later. Alright, now I'll get this back closet in here, run a broom through it, and once again, an unfinished wall, so not too much to worry about here. Sweep the floors, sweep the corners, make sure there's nothing nasty kicking around in here. Close it up and focus on the main big room, and that'll be good for the basement. Alright, so the stairs are slowly but surely coming along. You don't realize just how much junk is in the nooks and crannies until you start taking a broom to them. Yuck. Alright, I'll finish sweeping these down, get them all nice and clean up the walls a little bit. Got a few paint touch-ups I gotta take care of. Then I gotta tackle this. So the downstairs has been swept. I'll run a vacuum over the carpeted area next. I say carpeted, but this is like that really thin stuff that you can't even pinch. It's so dense, and our vacuum cleaner just doesn't handle it well. Run a vacuum cleaner over that. Got the laundry room mopped. Got this storage room mopped and swept. So other than the quick vacuuming job, oh, and the stairs are done too. Downstairs area is pretty much done, other than a few paint touch-ups. All right, so Christina rounded up the top floor. Now we just got to do the center living room area and the first floor, and that should be good for the house. Come together. Well, it's now after 5 o'clock, and cleaning has progressed relatively well. I had to make a flying trip into North Pole to grab some items. Oven drip pans for one. If you find yourself moving out of housing and buying these as replacements is a really good idea. Let's be honest, those drip pans that came with the stove, who knows how long they've been used, and they were pretty gross anyways. There was some stuff on there I don't think elbow grease would have taken off very well. So, hopefully that'll help. A bit of oven cleaner to really knock out some of the nastiness in the inside, and some, oh, what was it? Oh, light bulbs. Light bulbs were a big thing. We had probably 7 or 8 of them out. So, newly replaced, and hopefully that will pass muster for the inspection tomorrow. Girls are getting hangry, so we ordered some Papa John's pizza. Yeah. Starving.
I like my other papers.
Alright, so it is pushing 10 o'clock at night, and we're still not quite done. So we're heading back to TLF. Against our better judgment, the girls are still awake. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try and get them put to bed.
Well, you are.
Yeah, she's gonna stay behind and clean. All right, after a very long night of cleaning, Christina didn't get done till 1:30 last night after I brought the girls home for bedtime. We've got the house turned over. We're done with the house. We'll probably have to drive by one more time to say farewell for the last time. Christina is like straight up doing a happy dance right now.
I was outside Carl's house. Gavin was ready to hug me inside the house, and I was just like, no, wait till we're outside. And I was like,
Not yet. All right, finally winding down to the day.
Hi.
Yep, got one more meeting in the morning. We should be pretty well good to go. Dinner's on. Got a surf and turf stir fry. Bringing down a little sauce. It's like a pad thai barbecue kind of deal. And I got that one in the microwave that yeah, it's like a honey butter garlic type sauce.
Hi.
beautiful.
Kara had her last day of school today. Myron all mom's new bruises. Jeez Louise.
And I'm sad I'm not
Yeah,
going
there's
to
more.
my teachers.
Just to specify, the bruises are from
Falling on the ice.
yeah, falling on the ice, going down a
Ice slide.
ice sculpture slide. Yeah, winter up here is not very good on folks. Been a little bit, but it's time to have a sit-down meal, I think. Finally starting to feel a little bit normal again, you know? And we get to do some traveling soon, get the long weekend ahead of us. We're gonna be just sitting around waiting. Yeah, Monday roll around and we can head out the door and
Now I'm done with
get to
school.
Toke. Toke first, right?
Yeah, Toke, then Teslin, Yukon Territory, then Fort Nelson, British Columbia, then Leduc, Alberta, Canada.
Got a walking itinerary right here.
I have to have it memorized, otherwise I go nuts.
Mm.
Ooh,
Let's
let's
get,
see it.
let's get something to eat. Bit about a boredom's sake.
Hold on, camera. Give me some shrimp.
Shrink.
Shrimp. Spot prawns.
Looks good. Oh, careful.
All right, one last stop at Fire Station 2 to grab my fire gear, and then it's back home for the night. Tomorrow morning, 09:30, I've got my final out appointment, and then we just got the weekend ahead of us. And pack up the car, and it's time to hit the road. Gonna miss this place. Gonna miss it an awful lot, but definitely think it's time to get moving on. Time for the next adventure. Kinda crazy thinking that this house that's been our home for the last 4 years, not gonna be something we're gonna come back to at the end of the day. Texas never really felt like a home to us, but for some reason this particular house was, I don't know, it seemed like we had everything that we really wanted in here. It was old and it was kind of run down. We took good care of it to the best of our abilities. Yeah, definitely gonna miss the place, but Fairchild awaits, and we'll see what kind of a house we can find there. So long, house.